We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the steel tongue drum, 6-inch 8 notes model by Laronbird. This instrument stands out for its unique craftsmanship, quality materials, and the soothing sound it produces. Made from a high-quality alloy with a non-fading paint finish, the drum offers excellent corrosion and heat resistance. The round drum body features sound tongues shaped like lotus petals, precision cut and hand-modulated to ensure stable and pleasant tones. A rubber anti-slip base helps keep the drum steady during play, enhancing the overall user experience. The drum produces a clean, ethereal sound often described as Buddha-like, making it ideal for meditation, yoga, and relaxation. An innovative sound stopper on the bottom allows the player to alter the timbre. With the stopper installed, the sound is fuller and deeper with a shorter sustain, suited for modern pop music. Without the stopper, the sound is clearer, louder, and longer, better for classical music. This versatility adds to the drum's appeal for a wide range of musical styles and settings. The package includes a 6-inch steel drum, mallets, a carrying bag, finger plectrums, spare note stickers, sheet music, and a mallet stand. With 8 tones available, the drum offers a broader range than many similar instruments, allowing for more complex and enjoyable music creation. The inclusion of both mallets and the option to play with hands makes it accessible to beginners and experienced players alike. The note stickers and sheet music are designed to help novices learn quickly, though some users have noted that the stickers can peel off easily, which may affect ease of use for those relying on them to play songs. This drum is well suited for various applications including concerts, music education, bedtime stories, relaxation, entertainment, spiritual practices, and therapy sessions. Its calming sound and stylish design make it a popular gift choice for family and friends, suitable for birthdays, holidays, or music-themed parties. Many users appreciate how the drum fosters creativity and provides a joyful, peaceful experience without requiring prior musical skills. Children and adults alike find it easy and fun to play, making it a versatile addition to any home or studio. Users consistently praise the drum's sound quality, portability, and ease of learning. The 6-inch size strikes a good balance between being large enough for comfortable play and small enough to carry conveniently. The drum's sturdy metal construction makes it durable, though its weight means caution is needed to avoid injury if dropped. The included mallets are generally well-liked for their feel and sound, though some reviews suggest they could be improved for durability and safety, especially around small children. A few minor drawbacks have been mentioned. The note stickers, while helpful, tend to peel off prematurely, and some users feel they resemble generic stickers used on furniture parts, which detracts slightly from the premium feel. The mallets, made from stained dowel rods with glued rubber ends, might not withstand heavy use over time and pose a choking hazard for very young children. Despite these issues, these aspects do not affect the instrument's sound or overall performance. Overall, the steel tongue drum by Laronbird is a successful blend of quality, convenience, and affordability. It offers a beautiful, soothing sound that can help with relaxation, meditation, and creative expression. Whether you are looking for a musical instrument that is easy to learn, a therapeutic tool, or a unique gift, this drum is an excellent choice. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing. This drum is highly recommended for anyone seeking a peaceful, enjoyable musical experience with minimal learning curve. Its thoughtful design and included accessories make it stand out in the category of steel tongue drums and hand percussion instruments.